Hey everyone, your VS Code probably looks like this: boring, messy, and default. But in the next 2 minutes, I'll transform it into a beautiful, cozy developer workspace. So look at the right side chart, the left side the folder, and these extensions, the icons, and a tiny place for your code. So let's fix it. Okay, first of all, let's drag this chart. Okay, chart which is on the right side, we will drag it to the left side. Let's bring it directly here. So that is here whenever we need it, so we will just click and use that. Okay, whatever you need, so you will open that. This is the first fix that we have done. So first, let's install a modern theme. My favorite theme is Tokyo Night. It gives your editor a clean and calm dark look. So let's search here in the extension Tokyo. So the first one that you can see, okay, Tokyo Night. We will click this and we will install it. 2 millions download, 2.5 millions download. So let's install it. Yes, trust it and install it. When installed, you will see here different themes. Look at the look has been changed directly. We can select Tokyo Night Light, Tokyo Night Storm, Dark, or Night. Select the first one as Tokyo Night, Night one. Okay, this theme selected. You can change the theme later. Now let's add material icon theme. Okay, for these folders and file, it will change the icons for folder and files. So this extension adds colorful icons for folder and files. It makes your project structure easier. So simply instead of this, we will search. So the first one that you can see, look at, which has 33 million downloads. So let's install this one also for this icons of files and folders. Yes, trust in the publisher. After installed, you will have here two options: material icon theme or City Visual Studio Code. So the material theme, we will select this one and let's check it now. Look at how the folder and file icon has been changed. Look at it, looks very beautiful. So after adding these, so the final result looks like this. Okay, so now we can move these icons even to the right side or left side. So let's, for example, right click on an empty area and come here to the activity bar position. By default, it is selected the default. We can move it to the top. So look at this is moved to the top. Look at here, you can just enable these files, whatever you want. Okay, you can do that extension. So you can move it to the top also, and your code looks like this in your screen. All screen is now empty for coding to do coding. So these are a few extensions and a few methods that you can use and make a beautiful cozy workspace for your development. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.